Want to turn your written ideas into fully polished videos without spending hours editing? In this video, we're showing you how to use RecCloud to create AI videos from text in 2026. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are looking at RecCloud, an AI-powered online platform designed to make video and audio processing incredibly fast and simple. If you've ever struggled with complicated video editing software, RecCloud is built to change that. It offers a versatile suite of tools right in your browser, including an AI video generator, AI voice generator, and automated subtitle tools. Basically, it's built to help you turn simple text into ready-to-publish content. So how does it work? First, you'll head over to RecCloud.com. The interface is clean and straightforward. To create a video from text, you can use their AI voice generator combined with the AI video generator. You simply paste your script, choose from their natural-sounding AI voices, which support multiple languages, and let the platform generate your audio. From there, you can use their AI subtitle generator to automatically add highly accurate styled captions, or even use the AI video translator if you want to reach a global audience. It's an all-in-one pipeline. You upload your text, process it with their smart AI tools, and download the finished video instantly. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, RecCloud is incredibly convenient. Having speech-to-text, voice generation, translation, and video editing tools in one place is a massive time saver. Users on their site, like teachers and TikTok creators, highly praise the natural-sounding voiceovers and the speed of the subtitle generator. However, to be completely transparent, independent third-party reviews online are currently very limited. While the tool is highly promising and boasts a great feature set on paper, we don't have a massive pool of external user feedback to verify how it performs with heavy, long-term professional use. So we highly recommend starting with their free tier to test the limits and see if the video output matches your specific standards. Overall, if you need a quick, accessible, and smart way to turn text into video content without a steep learning curve, RecCloud is absolutely worth checking out. You can get started for free today by visiting RecCloud.com. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI tool reviews in 2026, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use AI for your video creation this year. See you in the next video.